Hi everybody, I'm Chok and I am a member of Group 2. Today I am very happy to be here and I want to tell you about the rule number 2 from Easy How. Okay, let's start. The rule number 2 is never against study grammar rules. It's so strange, right? There are a lot of people saying I can't speak English quickly, easily, and automatically. So, what is the reasons for questions of us? The reason to answer for most people is that they study grammar rules too much. You focus grammar rules, or your teacher told you to, right? When you focus on grammar rules, it means you focus on analyze English. In other words, you think about English, think about the tense, the modal verb, the preposition, the possessive. It is very difficult, very difficult. When you write, it's okay. You have a time, so you can go slowly, you can write very slowly, you can think about it, you can fix a mistake. But when you're speaking, there's no time. You must answer immediately. So, how do native speakers learn grammar rules? They learn through hearing the correct grammar again and again. The best way to learn English grammar is through, in part, by ears. You can read easy English book. You can listen to your favorite songs. The audio, you can watch the cartoon, the TV show, the movies. It will help you to learn the correct grammar. If you try, I think you can speak English quickly, easily, and automatically. That's all. Thanks for listening. See ya.